Morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places and today we'll be studying about adjectives जिनको हम विशेषण बोलते हैं that tells the quality of a noun and a pronoun. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is the adjective. There is a warm up over here exercise. Which qualities do you have and you just write them below. देखिए good qualities आप अपनी खुद लिखेंगे, bad qualities भी आप खुद लिखेंगे. Moving on to this, read the following sentences carefully. गंगा एक बहुत ही ज्यादा पवित्र नदी है, होली रिवर ऑफ इंडिया. हिमालयज आर दी हाईएस्ट इन दी वर्ल्ड में सबसे ऊंचे हैं. आई डू नॉट लाइक टू हैव स्पाइसी फूड, मुझे स्पाइसी फूड पसंद नहीं है. अब सेंटेंसेस में जो कलर्ड वर्ड है दे बेसिकली डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन, राइट? River, mountains, food, and hence they are known as adjective, and thus we can say the words which qualify the noun and pronoun उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Adjective. What are the kinds of adjective? First is the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the size, the shape, the manner of a noun such as person, place, or thing, right? The old woman walked slowly during the narrow lane. Next is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity refers to the quantity of things, places and people such as many, few, or you can say much. They answers the question how much. They say there is some rice which is left in the cooking pot. Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective points to the person, place, animal, and thing. Words like this, that, these, those, that, right? This man is very wise and that man is foolish. वो क्या होगा? Man एक foolish होगा. Next is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used for asking the question जैसे कि who, whose, which और what, right? Whose clothes are these? ये किसके हैं? And which book do you want? तुम्हें कौन सी book चाहिए? Next is adjective of number. Adjective of number refers to the number of things. जैसे कि they show कि आप क्या order है? Many, or you can say the order of a person, place, animal, and thing. And the adjective they answers the question how many. Monday is the second day of the week and most girls they play with dolls. Next is possessive, means हमको belongingness चाहिए, which shows the possession of something, or you can say someone. इसको हम possessive adjective बोलते हैं जैसे कि my, our, your, his or her. I read my book, she is washing her clothes, he is going to his school and you are doing your work, right? Next is present and past participle as adjective. They can be served as an adjective. कैसे? That was a very boring story. The tired person sat under a tree to take rest. Moving on to this fact file. Some is used for affirmative sentences, मतलब positive, and any is used for any negative sentence. Every is stronger than the adjective each, right? Each refers to the individual with every refers to the group. सबके लिए है. Little का मतलब होता है कुछ भी नहीं. A little means थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं. But the little का मतलब क्या होता है? पूरा, a certain small amount. इसी तरीके से few का मतलब hardly any, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. A few is the opposite of none. थोड़ा सा है. The few का मतलब not many but एक certain countable amount है वहां पे. Formation of adjective. आप adjective को कैसे बना सकते हैं? Adjective can be formed from what? Nouns, verb, and of course adjective. Adjectives from noun: dirty, hopeful, silken, foolish, boyish, girlish, etc. Adjective from verb: it's talkative, tiresome, languable, laughable, wearable, जिसको आप पहन सकते हैं, etc. Adjective from other adjectives जैसे कि sickly, greenish, whitish, blackish, etc. नेक्स्ट इज कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव्स. कंपाउंड अपने आप में ही समझ में आता है, दो चीजों को मिलकर. कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म बाय जॉइनिंग टू वर्ड्स एंड दे आर रिटन विद हाइफन के साथ. मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड एडजेक्टिव दैट डिस्क्राइब द अपीयरेंस ऑफ अ पीपल, प्लेसेस एंड कैरेक्टर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 5-star होटल एंड वेल ऑफ पेरेंट्स, राइट, एक्सेट्रा. देयर इज अ क्विक रिकैप. द वर्ड्स which describe noun and pronoun उनको हम adjective बोलते हैं. Adjective following types के होते हैं: adjective of quality, quantity, adjective of what? Of course it's number, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive adjectives, etc. Present or past participles, they can also be used as an adjective. Right, moving on to the exercise. First we'll be completing with the OMR sheet which is given below. Right, adjective qualifies noun and a pronoun. It's both. See, right, this is an adjective of quality, this is good. An adjective of quantity is much, right? Next you have to underline the adjective and write the its kind. देखिए adjective, ये Mumbai is an expensive city, this is an adjective of quality. Right, she cleans her house every day, हर रोज करती है वो. देखिए every आ गया है. every क्या है? बेसिकली दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ, मतलब ये क्या है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव है, राइट? and next you will be doing it rest on your own. You have to write a suitable adjective for each of these nouns. अब आप देख सकते हैं, आप नाउन के लिए एडजेक्टिव कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, गुड बॉय, राइट, एंड प्योर एयर, राइट, एंड डैश कंट्री, बेस्ट कंट्री, बहुत अच्छी कंट्री है वो, ठीक है। एंड और वाइफ के लिए कह सकते हैं आप ब्यूटिफुल वाइफ, हम वाइफ की क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं, ठीक है। ग्रीन लीफ, लीफ कैसी है, ग्रीन कलर की है। लॉयल शॉपकीपर, हाईएस्ट माउंटेन, एंड और यू कैन से क्लीन स्ट्रीट, सड़क जो है वो साफ है, राइट। यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव्स। देखिए, लेट अस ट्रैवल इन अ लग्जरी by buying a dash, by buying a dash ticket this year, by buying a £5 ticket this year, or you can say by buying a first class ticket over here. For your knowledge, that first class is the most expensive class to travel. It is beyond the business class, right? That movie by Alfred Hitchcock was dash indeed. It was mind blowing, mind numbing. बहुत ही अच्छी है वो, राइट। My uncle gave me a dash note as a birthday gift, that is £5. My grandma house is a dash drive from our place, is a 2 hour, 2 घंटे का ट्रैवल है, ग्रैंडमा के घर जाना है। The long drive was really, you can say, it was, just do one correction over here, that in the second plan, that movie by Alfred was mind numbering नहीं है, it was full time indeed. Please correct this. This is full time indeed, right? और यहाँ पे आएगा that long movie was really mind numbering. Right? The babysitter had a well directed job, बहुत अच्छी जॉब है उसकी। Which country lies to the southwest of India? All of us are right-handed, while you are left-handed. Right? Moving on to this comparison of adjectives, right? Comparison of adjectives. So adjectives की 3 degrees of comparison होते हैं. The first one is the positive degree, जहाँ पे कोई भी comparison नहीं होता. No comparison is made in the positive degree. जैसे he is a smart boy and she is a beautiful girl. Next is comparative degree, जब आप दो चीजों में compare करते हैं. Comparison is made between two persons, two things, groups of persons and things, of course in the comparative degree. And then फिर हम use करते हैं use, and we mostly add er or you can say r to the adjective so that we can form comparative degree, right? He is smarter than Avi and she is more beautiful than her sister, right? Next is superlative degree. A comparison is made between more than two things, or you can say group of things or persons in the superlative degree, and the हम use करते हैं superlative degree में, and we must use st and est to the adjective, right? He is the smartest of all the student and she is the most beautiful in the family. Next is there is a fact file that we add er and est to most of the positive degree when they are like of one syllable, जैसे कि sweet, sweeter and sweetest, right? We add r and st to the positive degree end with e, right? जैसे able, abler and ablest, right? When the positive degree ends with a y which is preceded by a consonant, तो हम y को i में change कर देते हैं and फिर हम add कर देते हैं er और est, जैसे कि easy, easier and easiest, right? When the positive degree adjective of a single syllable, it ends in a single consonant में send होगा, then it is preceded by what? Preceded by a short vowel. Consonant को हम double कर देंगे before adding er and est, जैसे कि bigger, bigger and biggest. When the positive degree adjectives they are of more than one syllable, we use more in comparative हम यूज करते हैं, और most हम superlative degree of comparison में यूज करते हैं. कुछ adjectives होते हैं they are compared irregularly, good, better, best, many, more and most. little, less and least, and of course late, later and latest, right? Quick recap that adjectives, they have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative, and we form this degree by adding er and r, और हम superlative में st और est, superlative degree में हम st और est पढ़ते हैं. Next is moving on to the exercise. First we have to fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjective. Iron is the, देखिए the आ गया, it is the useful, it is the most useful metal, most useful of all the metals. Prevention is better than cure. Pacific Ocean is the largest. Who is the tallest boy? देखिए द आ रहे हैं, सब सुपरलेटिव हैं, राइट? डोंट कम लेटर. Dolly is the oldest girl, right? His house is farer than your house, and he is feeling better than yesterday. Now we have to change the degrees of comparison for the given adjectives without changing उनका meaning को change करे बिना. जैसे कि dawn is the most beautiful time of the day. No other time of the day is beautiful as the dawn. देखिए this book is the most expensive of all, right? So just write that no other book is most expensive like this, right? So we can write that no other book is the most expensive as this, right? Antarctica is the coldest of all the continents. No other continent is as coldest as that of Antarctica. Right? Rest of the sentences you will be doing it on your own. So that was all about adjectives and their degrees of comparison. Please keep doing hard work for your exam and do revise this and keep smiling. Stay blessed. Thank you.